In this video series, I will share special information about turtles, one of the great, wise, and at the same time silent heroes of both land and sea. Tortoises are vertebrates belonging to the order Testudines and form a subgroup of turtles. They usually live in terrestrial and freshwater habitats, but some species can also be found in the sea. Most tortoises have a hard shell. This shell protects their body and provides a defense mechanism against various dangers. The shell is made of keratin and bone. Some species have rough and spiny shells, others are flat. Some are high, some are round, and some are almost rectangular in shape. They are usually slow-moving and walk on all fours. The diet of tortoises varies, of course, depending on the species. Many species are herbivores and feed on plants, but some can be carnivorous and hunt small invertebrates or even fish. Now let me tell you a little bit about their reproduction. Tortoises usually reproduce by laying eggs. Female tortoises migrate to a suitable place to lay their eggs and bury them. The eggs then go through the incubation period, and the young come out of their shells. But of course, we have to protect some species, no matter how much we release them into the wild, because there is a risk of extinction, so some tortoise species are among the endangered species. Human impacts, especially habitat destruction, hunting, and road accidents, can negatively affect tortoise populations. With careful handling, many tortoises can live long lives. Some can live for more than 100 years. With these characteristics, they are known by humans as one of the longest-lived of all animals. 100 years is a truly magnificent lifespan. Some tortoises, including marine species, are capable of long-distance migrations. During these migrations, they can cover thousands of kilometers. For example, leatherback sea turtles migrate to beaches thousands of kilometers away to lay their eggs and can return to their nesting beaches without getting lost, even over distances of thousands of kilometers. This indicates incredible mapping skills and the ability to exploit magnetic fields. Sea turtles can stay underwater for long periods of time. Some species can make very long dives in the deep sea in search of food, which is why tortoises are one of the amazing creatures of the deep sea. Did you know that land tortoises hibernate by returning to a specific place? They usually return to the same place every year. And now let me tell you about the history of tortoises. Tortoises have a very long history in the history of the world. It is estimated that the first tortoise species appeared in the late Triassic period, around 220 million years ago. This means that they are even older than dinosaurs. The first tortoises were amphibian-like animals that lived mostly in aquatic habitats and switched to terrestrial life. During the course of evolution, tortoises split into various species and adapted to different habitats. There were species living in land, freshwater, and marine habitats. After the extinction of the dinosaurs, the distribution and species diversity of tortoises increased. The interaction between humans and tortoises has changed throughout history. In some cultures, tortoises have held sacred or symbolic significance. And in many cultures, tortoises are seen as symbols of wisdom and endurance due to their long lifespan. However, human activities such as habitat loss, pollution, and hunting have reduced or threatened populations of some tortoise species. Today, the conservation of tortoises and the protection of their habitats are the focus of various environmental projects and conservation efforts. Various measures are taken internationally, especially for the protection of endangered species. We should protect all animals, not just tortoises. Whether you like animals or not, let's not forget that they are a living creature. We have come to the end of this video. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like my video. Bye.